Hello YouTube, this is Train17 here again, and today I'm going to show you something on Train Sim 2014. I will say I had my game really badly crashed about a year ago, so it's really laggy, and I just started back to it a few months ago, so and I don't know if I can do any more downloads to this game. I tried doing CSX download, it didn't work. I'm putting, this is my Nintendo 3DS, and I have a little stilt for it. Okay, I'm going to show you something that I got back in 2012. It's a add-on pack, and I just wanted to show you guys because I haven't seen any images or videos about this. And this was a add-on pack that they now don't have on the market. Just kind of wondering about that. I do have quite a few downloads. I did get trains in 2013. I also have a few other types of trains. All of these. And these are, they don't have images, but I have the 118 pack and DB Freight 1970s. So we're going to be looking at this guy. So, ES44 ACC, and this was about $4. You could get it in the S2 as well, or it came with both of those. So, I kind of like it, you know. It's just a really nice looking locomotive, and it comes with this session as well as a few scenarios. And I'm mainly a new download fan, but I'm also a fan of the I'm a fan of the American trains, but I'm a huge fan of trains, of course, because I think I'm recording this to Train Guy 1717, I don't really know. It should go to all my videos for future reference. It should go to one channel, but I'm not sure because I accidentally made a few channels, so there's not. So I have like 5 videos so far uploaded to a total of 3 channels. Not going anywhere. Yeah, I have quite a few downloads on this game. I spent probably quite a lot of money on them, on downloads, but I don't know if I can get any more. I already tried one, didn't work. But this is one that I'm going to show you is it alone. And the reason why this is kind of wanting to tilt is I have my I'm charging it, and it's kind of going off to the side a little bit. And after this video, also I will tell you all my videos I have for the all my games I currently have, and don't know when, but I'm going to go to some video pretty soon, and wants to see that. Probably make one anyway. And yeah, takes a lot of load. There we go. So as you can see, this is the free run session for it. Move that to the way. You have these 2 guys right here. Click on it. The pad, because you have really nice looking ES44 AC. It's a bit hard to tell from the camera view I do have to, and then I'm sorry for the low resolution, and of course the glitchiness. Yeah, this is it. This is a pretty nice looking pack, I won't say. And it does have, most of it has its own kind of engine sound. I don't know if any other packs have this. None of mine do. Also has this new sounding bell to it. Yeah. Some new packs might have this, I don't know. Anyway, this is a pack. I'm not sure what it's called, but I don't know why it's so few to know people have videos on this. Look inside. See, it looks like the regular one. Anyway, and the 240 is the same. One other thing weird about another thing you'll notice is, I don't know if this is correct, but it seems like I'm just a little bit higher than I should be. Like if I was in a regular one, I should be just a little bit lower. Most of this pack, you'll go for. Let's see. I'll go over here. Also have, whoa. Also have a F7 to drive. Read command. Yeah, this has been the Canadian National add-on pack. That no longer around, and I just wanted to do a video on it to prove it actually was there, because this is the ES44 DC actually. I never noticed that until just now. Oh, if you have this pack, then and one more thing you can get, depending on what packs you have and add-on, there's actually a few locomotives in. You go to quick drive, press on train and click custom. Let's quickly do this because I only have about a minute left. Maybe that's explain it. I just thought that maybe the reason why I'm here about is just because I left the DC, but I don't know. And one more thing, if you go to custom, there's actually a few locomotives here, mainly for BNSF, that it's not obvious, that didn't just, that's all I found on here. You can't get them anywhere else. It's really hard to see this, but this is the, for instance, it's the ES40, no, Ford S2. There's others, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later, but I'm out of time. See you in the next video.